Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK. And I also upload my analysis on the important forex currency pairs daily. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. States are playing outside. They are shouting. I'm recording my video. I do not even replay my video after recording. I simply upload it. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get to the analysis. So this analysis is for Wednesday 24th Feb 2021 only. I'll come down again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. So this analysis is for 24th Feb only. Okay, so we can see that right now the market is trading at 0.7392, and there is no doubt that market is in a beautiful uptrend. Okay, so in a trending market like this, okay, so you can go ahead and place the buy order right away. Okay, but this is not the area of value. So what will be the area of value for us? Area of value for us will be this 50 period moving average. So see, market will not be going up all the time. So after a certain period of time, market will come down a little bit to cool off. Okay, so whenever market will come down to cool off, then there is a high chance that this 50 period moving average, you can see on the screen 50 period moving average, this 50 period moving average will be providing support to the market. Okay, so in that time, when market will be taking support, and at that time if you see some price rejection from above, so from below, then you can buy the order. Suppose after going up a little bit, market started coming down. So when market will hit this 50 period moving average, and if market reverses from here, okay, how will you spot a reversal? You can spot a reversal with the help of candles like this. So this is a bullish engulfing candle. This green candle has engulfed the red candle. Okay, this is a bullish sign. This is a price rejection from below. So this is also a bullish sign. Okay, whenever you'll spot a bullish sign or a price rejection from below, then you can place the buy order. This will be your area of value. Okay, when market will come down to take a rest at 50 period moving average, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, that will be your area of value. And if you follow indicators, then you can also use indicator of your own choice, but I use stochastic RSI. In case market started coming down a little bit, and without hitting this 50 period moving average, market started again going up. Okay, then you just look at the 50 period stochastic RSI indicator. Maybe after coming down a little bit, market may go to the oversold zone. From oversold zone, it may reverse from there also. Okay, in that case, you can again go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, confused? Hopefully you have understood the theory about this 50 period moving average. Is not it? Okay. So what I'm saying is that in case uh, market started coming down to take a rest, and before hitting the 50 period moving average, or before touching the 50 period moving average, it started going up. In that case, you just switch to the stochastic RSI indicator, or any indicator like this that tells you the oversold and overbought zones of the market. Okay. Sometimes what happen? We keep on waiting that market will come down to the dynamic support or the trend line. Okay, but before hitting the dynamic support or trend line, market starts reversing. So what happens is that market goes to the oversold zone, and from there it bounces off. Okay, probably you may be waiting that market will come down to 0.7340 level, and from then I'll buy. That is my ATF value. But but market may come down to this 73600 level. Okay, and from there only it will reverse. Why? Because market is in oversold zone. Okay, in that case also you can go ahead and place a buy order. But the best place to go for placing the order will be at the 50-period moving average, when you will see some reversal sign like this or like this. So that this is the analysis for NZD USD for 24th Feb 2021. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you found the video informative, please like and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, then you can visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.